Welcome back to the channel, folks. We are looking at some insane crypto news in this particular video, so you can follow the latest trends in the market, the latest what is going on in the market, which should hopefully give you a bit of an insight to what can happen next. Now, a law firm sues Michael Saylor strategy over misleading Bitcoin claims, which I think is crazy because you're allowed to speculate, you're allowed to guesstimate where things might go. But yeah, overall, look, the crypto market is showing positive momentum today, with the total crypto market cap rising 0.2%. Bitcoin is up 2.5%. And, we might even see an all-time high happen soon. Actually, I think it would be brilliant if we did see this happen soon. But yeah, do just want to overall have a look at a little bit of general news here. So firstly, lawsuit targets Michael Saylor's strategy as firm's Bitcoin stash exceeds $65 billion. Clearly, they want some of his Bitcoin. So it says here, look, Strategy, the world's leading Bitcoin treasury company, is facing a class action lawsuit filed by a New York-based law firm, Pomerantz LLP, over the alleged loss of $5.9 billion. Pomerantz LLP said on July 2 that it has filed the lawsuit against Strategy, earlier known as MicroStrategy, in the district court for the Eastern District of Virginia. So kind of crazy. Don't know what the result of this one is going to be, but yeah, it says the lawsuit refers to the unrealized loss of 5.91 billion in Bitcoin that Strategy suffered during the first quarter of 2025. So this is interesting. The MicroStrategy stock dipped as much as 8% following the news on April 7. So this is pretty old news still, but it's something that is ongoing. Also, a dormant address containing 10,000 Bitcoin, which is over $1 billion in USD, has just been activated after 14 years. So they flipped $34,000 into basically over $1 billion. Now, it could be this one here, I'm unsure, but either way, another Bitcoin whale has woken up. So Bitcoin whales are starting to wake up as the price is nearing all-time high again. Someone might know that we might be seeing something crazy happen soon. So two crypto wallets moved 20,000 Bitcoin valued at over 2 billion to new addresses. The coins were originally received in 2011 when Bitcoin was priced at 78 cents. Can you imagine that? That is over 100,000x, which that is mind blowing. So yeah, it says when a large whale moves in the sea, it creates ripples across the water. Similarly, when a large Bitcoin holder, often referred to as a whale, moves its coins on chain, that creates a buzz on social media, prompting observers to wonder if it's prelude to a sale and downside price volatility. So could we see someone dump is the question. Are we due a dump? Are we due someone taking profits? I don't know. Breaking news. Nano Labs just acquired approximately $50 million worth of BNB via OTC. So that means it was not purchased over an exchange. So it wouldn't have inflicted or changed the price, I believe. It says here, bringing in our mainstream digital asset reserve to around $160 million. So Nano Lab, now also a treasury. So we're seeing a lot of new treasury spawn in the blockchain space, which is quite a cool thing as well. Do also want to say, guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please do hit sub. Check out my Discord, which is free to join down below. You can see a lot of people are making some incredible wins doing trades and just being part of my group, which has a lot of high value opportunities in there. So please check it out down below. What else can we look at? The top 100 Bitcoin rich list. So if you are someone out there wondering how many people own over 100,000 Bitcoin, well, actually, the answer is 4. There are 4 people that hold between 100,000 and 1 million Bitcoins. There are 91 people that hold between 10,000 and 100,000 Bitcoins. So if we look at the history here, we can see over the last few days what's going on in the market. Now, if we click here, so for example, 1 day ago. So this is present tense. If we go back a month, well, you can see things change so slightly. You can see the amount of wallets holding 1,000 to 10,000, it's 2003. If we go back a month, it was also 2003. 3 months was 1,997. And if we go back a year, 1,957. So this tells us we're seeing a lot of accumulation. However, one thing that I have noticed here is the wallets holding between 10,000 and 100,000 Bitcoin have gone from, a higher number, being 101, to just 91. So we have seen a dip in the ultra whales, but in general, whole coiners, which is 1 to 10, important number, you can see that number has actually also dropped quite a lot. So yeah, when you look at it, it's interesting. But we do see a lot of companies now, a lot of people are holding between 100 to 1,000 Bitcoin. So that's a lot of treasuries, a lot of business holding Bitcoin. So it's interesting, right? It's very, very interesting. We also want to show you a new coin, which has just hit the crypto space. This is token 6900, a new ERC20 ICO, which is kind of all about gathering the attention of the S&P 500 legacy traders. Now you can see here, look, token 6900 is a spin on SPX 6900, a very successful coin already. This could be one worth checking out, guys. So do have a little look at it. It says millions are slowly realizing the truth. 6,900 is not just a number, it's the natural peak of the human thought. So one day, 19 hours, 10 minutes until the price increases. Right now, one of these is 0.00645. And it says here there is a hard cap for this pre-sale being 5 million USD. Start price 0.0064, end price 0.007125. All we got to do to check it out is use the link down below, do some research and due diligence, guys. Of course, this isn't financial advice, and you can use these different wallets here to buy some of these coins. Then simply wait for the token launch, and hopefully we can see this thing absolutely go parabolic by the time it goes live. Before we shut off this video, make sure you check out my Patreon down below if you want everyday trading signals, leverage signals, spot signals, a free ebook, a brand new trading indicator, and a bunch of information which will help you grow in the crypto space and help you achieve time and location freedom, as well as financial freedom, hopefully on the side. We've only got 6 Patreon slots available for the crypto legends. There's just 6 left, guys, so get yourself involved. Have a little look down below. You might like it. We're tracking smart money. We're discovering things before the media. We're getting stealth launch coins and early alphas. It's all down below for you to have a look at. Anyway, before you go, subscribe, like, comment. We'll see you soon.